Korean barbecue beef has gained immense popularity worldwide for its unique flavors and grilling techniques. The secret to a delicious Korean barbecue beef lies in achieving the perfect sear, which enhances both flavor and texture. The caramelization of the meat's surface adds depth to the taste while ensuring a juicy and tender outcome. Whether grilled over charcoal or on a stovetop grill, mastering the searing process is crucial for an authentic Korean barbecue experience. Choosing the right cut of beef is crucial for a successful Korean barbecue experience. Different cuts offer varying levels of tenderness and flavor, making it essential to select the most suitable one for grilling. Popular cuts for Korean barbecue include ribeye, short rib, galbi, and brisket, each offering unique textures and tastes when cooked. When choosing a cut, consider factors such as marbling, thickness, and preferred cooking method to ensure the best results on the grill. Marinating the beef is a key step in preparing Korean barbecue, as it infuses the meat with flavor and tenderizes it for grilling. Traditional Korean barbecue beef marinades often contain a combination of soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and sugar, creating a perfect balance of sweet and savory notes. Marinating helps to enhance the natural flavors of the beef while adding depth and complexity to the dish. Allowing the meat to marinate for an adequate amount of time ensures that the flavors penetrate the meat, resulting in a more delicious and succulent final dish. Properly prepping the grill is essential for achieving the perfect sear on Korean barbecue beef. Preheating the grill ensures an even cooking surface and helps to create those coveted grill marks. Additionally, preparing the grill involves cleaning and oiling the grates to prevent sticking and promote caramelization. The significance of grill temperature cannot be overstated, as it directly impacts the cooking process. Maintaining the right temperature throughout grilling is key to achieving the desired level of char and flavor on the beef. Mastering grilling techniques is key to achieving the perfect sear on Korean barbecue beef. Demonstrating proper grilling methods such as searing over high heat and allowing for caramelization enhances the overall flavor profile. Sharing tips on cooking times ensures the beef is cooked to the desired level of doneness while maintaining juiciness. Flipping the beef at the right intervals promotes even cooking and char on all sides. These techniques not only result in a visually appealing dish, but also contribute to a tender and flavorful Korean barbecue beef experience.